The Taste of Maine has been serving delicious fare on the coast here for over 30 years, and it's all thanks to the Gregory family, the original owner-operators. And with their scenic porch, lively happy hour, and the world's largest lobster roll, it's easy to see why the Taste of Maine is a must-dine experience. Let's go and see what Matt and Scott are cooking up.
On top of their amazing atmosphere and incredible food, the Taste of Maine also boasts an enormous banquet facility perfect for that elegant wedding, a bridal shower, or even a company outing. They even have that perfect spot to say, "I do." All right, Candy, I gotta jump right into this because I'm amazed that the whole, 33 years?
33 years.
And all your family and your brother even built it.
This is his vision, yes. And I have all my children working here, my grandchildren, my husband works in the kitchen. So it's a big family affair. It's wonderful.
Although seafood is their specialty, they're also serving up some incredible steaks, pasta dishes, and sandwiches. If pub food is what you're into, though, you do not want to miss their happy hour. All right, Scott, good to see you again as always.
How you doing, Matt?
So what are we going to do today? This is a big roll.
This is our world's largest lobster roll here at Taste of Maine.
That's pretty big.
Go through the process of making it until it's served to the customer.
And which I hope is me.
Well, you might be.
This mammoth starts by getting the sides of the bun shaved off for perfect toasting. Next, the meat is weighed out, a little lettuce is placed on the roll, and then the heaping pile of lobster meat is added. All right, Scott, I gotta be careful. This thing's heavy.
There you go.
Take a look at this thing. It never ends. All right, Scott, so here we are at the total other end of this huge kitchen.
The hot end.
See, this is one of my favorite things. I'm not gonna lie, the fryer later. What are we gonna make?
We're making a fisherman's platter, the fried combo.
How do we start?
Start with dropping in French fries, man.
All right. This dish has it all. I am talking scallops, haddock, shrimp, clams, all resting on a pile of golden French fries.
And that is the platter.
Voila! All right, Brooke, so back to the whole happy hour and the Tasty Tavern. I see you got football on the TVs right now. It seems like a great place to come and just chill out with some friends. Is that different specials every week, every night? How's it happy hour work?
Yeah, our happy hour we have every single day. It's from 4 to 6. The specials change quite frequently, pretty much every single day.
On top of great food specials, you can also get a fresh squeezed blueberry pinnacle lemonade, or maybe try the delicious lobster claw Bloody Mary. All right, folks, normally this is where I would close the segment out, but I'm leaving that up to Tom. Take it away, Tom.
Route 1, Woolwich, just north of Bath. Hi, Aunt.
Family run, family owned since 1978.